If you want to succeed, you need to forget about balance. There is no such thing as balance in life if you want to be number one. To be successful, you need to be obsessed. There is no two ways about it. You cannot say, oh, I feel like doing it, or I don't want to do it because I cannot be bothered. That's not how this works. You need to put in the work no matter how you feel. Fuck your feelings and get to work. Whether you love what you do or you hate it, some tasks are just mandatory. You must do it. Forget what people say. If they tell you that, oh, you need to follow your passion and do something that you love, they clearly don't want you to be successful. There are a lot of people who don't want your success, even if they're close friends of yours. Listen to your heart and listen to your mind. The extent of work that you should be putting in should get people to question you. That is the only way you know that you're doing it right. When people start asking you, are you crazy? Are you not tired yet? Why are you still going? That is when you hit it hard. You put your head down and you even work harder. When those phrases are being thrown around, that's when you know you're going to make it. You're going to be successful, and most important of all, you're going to be part of that top 1%. But to reach that top 1%, you cannot be taking rests or break. That's for the weak, and weak men create tough times. Taking breaks are for those of you who have lower aspirations, and those people who are watching this video right now are not part of that group. So don't take yourself and place you amongst the people who are weak. Work hard and lead by example. Show people how it's meant to be done. People should look up to you even if they're in the same room as you. Be the best and outwork every single person. You're gonna have friends and family who will constantly tell you that you need to take a break. You've done enough and it's time for you to just relax. But do not listen to them. They are in the wrong mindset. They're all mediocre themselves and are in the average mindset, and they don't want nothing more for you. They will never be anything more than that, and they don't want you to be anything more than that, most importantly. People hate to see you succeed. They never want to see anyone else but themselves do better than them. So don't listen to them. They don't have any good advice to give, otherwise they would have been ahead of you themselves. Put your head down, keep working, and just stay on the right track. What you need to focus on is on yourself and all of the work that makes it right. Whether that's seeing a significant other or going out with friends, you need to stop wasting time on your phone scrolling through TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it is. You need to stop watching movies, and most important of all, just stop anything that's wasting your time. All of that time wasted could have been used elsewhere. So spend it wisely, whether that's going to the gym, reading a book, meditating, whatever it is. Just always remember that you need to be improving constantly. You're the only person who really cares about you, so make sure that you're constantly worrying about yourself and no one else. If a friend of you tells you let's go out for food and you don't want to, just be straight up with them. Be blunt and honest. Do not waste your time and faff around with them, be like, oh, I'll let you know, and then afterwards they just push you into going out with them. Not only is that a waste of your money, your time, and also that is a bad friend. So maybe it's about time you start thinking about cutting ties with them. They don't have that winner's mentality, which is extremely important. Change and success does not come easy. You do not see a successful person tell you that, oh, I've got this all by luck, or it just happened overnight. Success might seem sometimes that it's coming overnight, but that's not exactly what's happened. There must have been countless hours, days and nights during the past few months that's taking place behind the scenes. Those trickier details that you do not see are always happening. They're taking place non-stop, but they just don't come to the plain eye. You need to be able to work without seeing results. That's the only way you can see big, significant results out of nowhere overnight. When you go to the gym, you do not just see results on the first time you go. However, after 6 months of training, then you start seeing bigger results. Be patient and you will get there. Trust me, we're all on that journey right now. Even ourselves. Both me and Pass are on the same journey as you guys. We're on that path of self-improvement and reaching that top 1%. We're constantly working ourselves in every single area there is. We're not seeing immediate results every single day or every single week. However, when you look back at it from the day that we started this journey, we can see how far we've come. We can see all of the major accomplishments and milestones that we achieved. So everyone needs to be patient. Now, if you guys want to also come along with this journey of self-improvement and becoming the top 1% man, check out all the other videos on the channel. We have multiple playlists to help you with those videos and exactly what steps you need to take. Thanks for sticking to the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out more useful content like this. We'll catch you guys in the next video, and stay traditional.